Income Tax Department apat online e-filing website thakapat pan card to Aadhaar card bangti link ding chule pan card to Aadhaar card link kibolo bangti check ding ti video in alen khomitiu la pan card to Aadhaar card link ki bat na dinga Income Tax Department in website thakabol chu Google Chrome apat in www.incometax.gov.in alut in latin tagapat hin mani in bailam takcha bol thading ahi ji website kipi ahin lut in latin lalu zo phale anuya our service porter kiti nanuya hin option tampi lakahin link Aadhaar kiti green color highlight ki bol khu make in latin takchule link Aadhaar card kiti display ang pot phat hele pan kiti namun hin la pan card number type in latin abanin Aadhaar card number azole Aadhaar card lamin kisi gol chata type in latin azole Aadhaar card huna lapi phone number kha type dukit in latin jizo si chu la fill up zo phat le anuya box pani tik ding ki pi te ni lakahin anui pa zo khu tik in latin azole anui pen blue color highlight link Aadhaar khu make in latin make zo phat le la mobile number a tax department apat OTP digit pagu hungin tin ahung zo phat le G digit pagu chu circle box sung hun type du zo phat le validate khu make in latin la make zo kit phat hi le successful a hi le hi lo la display in pot ding hi jichu pan card to Aadhaar card ki link a hi tai ti het na a hi tu hin la details pan card to Aadhaar card link lo status het china dingin ji website apat hin home page salut in lang azole our service ki tina noya link Aadhaar green color highlight ki bol hun lu ki in latin azole pan number type in lang azo Aadhaar card number le type in latin azole anoya view link Aadhaar status ko make le chin akiling hi nak chun tihin display a message mu latin kiling nai lo hi chun red color icon hum pot ding hi jigo la hin pan ka to Aadhaar card link loading le status he chin ding dan chu a hi